What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Berkshire. Thank you for checking this video out. If you enjoy the content that I create and the videos that I make and the things that I talk about, or the photography I post on Instagram, or anything that I put out on social media, please like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and turn the bell notification on below. Let's get into it. All right, today we're going to talk about the one, the only game changer, Adobe Enhance. It's no lie, I just found out about Adobe Enhance, and I gotta say, I was really missing out. It's one of the best programs, like a drag and drop program, that I've ever heard of and seen, and the results and the outcome of it are absolutely mind-blowing. And if you're not using it on your audio and your videos, then you might just be wasting time like I was. So when I got this Shure microphone, I made sure that I plugged it in correctly and I recorded the best I could, and I tried to edit in with the Premiere effects, mastering and all the, different effects that you can use for audio to make it sound good. And to be honest, I just wasn't getting the kind of audio that I wanted. I just wasn't getting the audio that I was jealous of. Every person that I listened to on Reels, TikToks, YouTube, every single thing that I hear had this amazing sounding audio, and it just sounded different. And here I'm asking myself, why? How? What are they using? And then I gotta thank my buddy John, goes by Manager John on Instagram. I did a podcast with him recently, and he just told me about how Adobe Enhance gets rid of helicopter sounds and airplane sounds and wind and noise, and it just throws this effect on your voice, does all these things. And it's the most useful AI that I have found recently to really change my game. So I wanted to show you guys how I use it. So we're in Adobe Edition right now. I'm screen recording. I've been recording, as you see right here on the screen, I'm recording my live audio. So this is what it sounds like, guys. This is what the audio sounds like raw from my microphone into my laptop, recording through Adobe Audition, which you see here. And I'm going to take this audio and I'm going to put it in an Adobe Enhance, and I'm going to show you guys how it changes. So this is my voice completely raw, recording into the Shure microphone. It is the podcast combo that I found on Amazon, but everyone that I've ever seen in every podcast, almost ever, is using this bad boy. So anyway, all right, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take my track and I'm going to completely drag it into Adobe Enhance. All right, so I'm going to do a test for you. This one is just raw audio. Testing. No Adobe Enhance. My name is Berkshire. No Adobe Enhance. Okay, so now I'm going to add Adobe Enhance. Testing. My name is Berkshire. Thank you for checking out the video. And as you guys can see, depending on the percentage, and you can just toggle it, get it where you want it. As I move around the mic, it just AIs some of the greatest audio. And that's pretty much it. If you're not using Adobe Enhance, then what are you doing with your audio clips? You have to use Adobe Enhance. It is the easiest AI that technology has given us lately. Makes us sound better, makes us more confident in ourselves. At least I know I am. And that's it for today's video. I appreciate you guys checking it out again. I hope you enjoy Adobe Enhance. And if you want shorter little informational clips like this one, let me know below. But until the next one, you know the deal. Peace.